Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth connected.
Both their first day on the job? Let's get on with it here. Finally, the more senior one cautiously ventured, "So, do you have a lot of experience with the specificities, inner workings, and maintenance of gym equipment?" Now I'm thinking they're trying to find a reason to put me at fault and void my warranty or otherwise upsell me. So I shoot back the curt but truthful answer, "I've been working out every day for longer than at least one of you has been alive. I can look at any model on your floor and tell you what they do, why, and which features are necessary versus which features are just extra flash designed to line your pockets, and I definitely know a working machine from a broken one. So I don't even know why this discussion is necessary. Just tell me what information you need, I'll sign what I need to sign, and let's get this taken care of." The more senior guy folded his hands on the desk and went, "All right, listen. I'm sure you're very experienced and do know your way around, but... Okay, listen, how old are you?" What? There was no universe in which he needed that information to get a repair tech to my house. I was really and truly lost at this point. Was he coming on to me? Was he insinuating that there was no use in fixing my machine because I'd be dead soon enough anyway? What? What could that possibly have to do with anything? You have no right to ask me that. The more junior guy whispers, "Yeah, hey, I don't think you're legally allowed to ask that." So that's when it all starts to click for me. The senior guy, in rank only he couldn't have been a day over 30, put his hand up in a shut-up gesture to his partner and continued. I can't tell if he's trying to walk back his earlier statement or double down on it, going, "It's just that when clients come in, they're going to have a much easier time trusting someone who looks like them. So it's not even so much about age than that you're a woman." The junior guy gasps in pained dismay. "Bro, no." He turns to me, switching into professional mode from night to day in an instant. What my colleague meant to convey is that we're targeting a certain demographic, and he ran out of buzzwords in that sentence alone. They realized that the situation was getting away from them at that point as I sat in silence, staring daggers into them. Finally, fully understanding that I'd walked into a pool of job applicants and been mistaken for one, I said, "You realize it's illegal to ask an applicant their age or discriminate on the basis of gender." The senior guy definitely thought he had the situation handled as he exclaimed, "It's really not about us, ma'am. We're trying to keep you safe, you know? We're not saying you can't work here, like that you're incapable, just that you shouldn't. Like, we're doing you a favor by not considering you... Really, there's a lot of heavy lifting that's not safe for older people. Your bone density decreases hand over fist as you age. Haven't you noticed that? And you'd be in the store sometimes with other employees, and you'd be the only woman here. That'd be very uncomfortable. I mean, for you, I mean. I wanted to be sure I had my bases covered, because I'm lucky to have stable employment. But plenty of my old, bitty peers are struggling right now, and it infuriates me to think that they're dealing with this kind of bullcrap. So I went, "Well, thanks for your concern. The times are tough, and I'm qualified for this position. So I'd still like to fill out an application." The junior guy looked like he wanted to give me